There are so many ways to build a business just by creating an AI agent, and the best part, you don't even need to be a developer or a coder to do this. Right now, AI is automating tasks, saving time, and making businesses more efficient, and that means more opportunities. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 AI agent business ideas that you can start right now, whether you want to create a fully automated service or sell AI powered tools or even set up a business that runs itself. This video is for you. So, what are AI agents? AI agents are basically your digital workforce. They are autonomous apps that handle tasks for you, eliminating repetitive work and saving you time, effort, and ultimately making you money. And here's why this matters right now. Companies everywhere are trying to streamline their operations. They are looking for AI powered tools to handle tedious tasks. And that's where the biggest opportunities are hiding. So today, I'm going to break down some of the best AI agent business ideas that you can start right now. These are ideas that people and businesses actually need and are willing to pay for. My name is Charles. Let's get started. The first AI agent business idea is an AI agent that listens to sales calls and pinpoints exactly what makes a customer say yes and sticks around for long term. So instead of guessing which sales tactics work best, the AI analyzes recorded or transcribed calls and pulls out key patterns from the deals that actually converted. So it identifies the winning formula. Was it a discount strategy? Was it the way it was framed? Or was it a unique value proposition? One-time sales are great, but loyal paying subscribers are where the real money is. And this AI agent doesn't just help close more deals, it's going to help businesses understand why customers stay so they can replicate success consistently. And the best part is it automates everything. Businesses won't have to manually sort through hours of sales calls to figure out what works best, because most times what businesses do is they have to listen, through their sales call to understand what happened, why the customer actually said yes. So this AI takes away that burden. This AI does all the heavy lifting, giving businesses data-backed strategies to boost conversions and retention. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. There are lots and lots of helpful videos in this channel. The next is quite interesting. What if your AI agent could read every single customer review and support ticket and instantly tell you what your users really want? So instead of manually going through endless feedback, an AI agent automatically analyzes and prioritizes customer insights from all sources, from app store reviews, web surveys, social media, and help desk tickets. This tool would have the ability to spot patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed by a human. Imagine a product team being able to instantly see the most common feature request or find exactly what's frustrating users the most. You don't need to guess, no more guessing, no more wasting time sifting through individual complaints. Just clear, data-driven insights that help businesses improve faster and retain more customers. Now, for B2C companies that get a constant flow of feedback, this AI isn't just helpful, it's a game changer. It streamlines the decision making, it ensures the right updates get prioritized, and keeps users happy. And as a business, this is prime for subscription model, because feedback never gets old. It never stops. People always give feedback. People always give reviews. And companies will always need a tool that helps them stay ahead of customer expectations. This next AI agent idea is an AI agent that candidates can chat with to simulate interviews. What if job seekers could have a personal AI interview coach that's available 24/7? Just imagine an AI agent that simulates real interview, asking role-specific questions and providing instant feedback through chat or voice. Candidates can start a session anytime and face industry-relevant questions and get real-time analysis on clarity, consciousness, and tone, just like an actual recruiter would evaluate. These AI agents would ask questions related to the candidate's role and industry. It's like having a personal career coach on demand, helping users refine their responses, helping users feel more prepared, and helping them boost their chances of landing a job. You can build this AI agent into a web chat, mobile app, or to WhatsApp to make it more accessible on multiple platforms. For businesses, this is a powerful B2B or B2C opportunities as companies and job platforms can integrate it into their hiring systems or offer it as a premium service for job seekers. The next idea is an AI agent real estate scout that works every hour 24/7, analyzing market trends, tracking property listings, and predicting which investments will increase in value before anyone else even notices. Instead of manually going through different websites and tons of listings, this AI agent finds the best investment opportunities using data it has analyzed. It doesn't just check available properties, it scans new neighborhoods, tracks rental yields, monitors local development plans and historical pricing trends to find undervalued properties that have high appreciation potential, which means investors and real estate agents can stop guessing and focus only on a curated shortlist of high return property that AI agent has already vetted. This next one is an AI agent that can analyze recurring support tickets and automatically generate documentation and instant responses, drastically reducing the need for live agents. Imagine a SaaS company with thousands of users repeatedly submitting the same technical issues, password resets, billing confusion, or trouble navigating features. Instead of overwhelming human support teams, this AI agent scans historical tickets, detects common patterns, and then builds a smart knowledge base with auto replies that solve issues instantly. Let's say a user forgets their login details or runs into a billing error. Rather than waiting in a queue for an agent, the system instantly provides guidance or troubleshooting steps. And over time, this AI continuously learns from new support requests, expanding its ability to handle even more complex inquiries without human intervention. For businesses, this means faster response times, fewer support agents needed, and lower operational costs. This next AI agent idea saves creators time and money. Imagine taking a long video, podcast, or blog post and instantly turning it into tons of bit-sized content without doing anything. That's exactly what this AI agent does. Instead of spending hours editing, cutting, and formatting, you just upload your content and the AI agent automatically repurposes it. If it's a 30 minutes podcast or YouTube video, it turns it to a short Instagram Reels or TikTok videos, a Twitter thread, email newsletter, LinkedIn post, and even a blog summary. The AI keeps everything in your brand's tones and style, so you don't have to worry about rewriting or tweaking and all that. The business model is simple: a monthly subscription for individuals, or maybe an enterprise package for agencies managing multiple clients. At the end of the day, this AI agent solves massive problem, turning one piece of content into many so that creators can stay visible, can grow faster, grow their audience, and save hours of work. This next idea is very interesting, and I'm sure a lot of people would pay for this. Imagine having a personal cycle of an AI agent that are your companions, each tailored to your interest, and ready to chat with you about the things that you actually care about. You tell the system your name, location, and hobbies, whether it's music, movies, football, cooking, and then it creates a small group of digital friends who reach out regularly. One might send you a weekly playlist of fresh jazz tracks, Afrobeat tracks, going into the history behind classic music or Afrobeat music, and then another one could drop you a message about the 5-star restaurant that's opening near you, sharing you recipes, pro cooking tips and all that. And then maybe a third agent pings you with a trial suggestions for the next hike and asks you about your last adventure, how it went and all that. So I know this might sound a little bit dystopian, but the reality is people already turn to AI for companionship. People are using AI for emotional support, friendship, and even relationship. This idea takes it a step further. Not just companionship, but a social experience built entirely around your interests. So instead of scrolling mindlessly through content you don't really care about, you would have engaging and even thought-provoking conversations designed to keep you entertained and stimulated. And yes, people will pay for this. A subscription model offering different levels of interaction could make this a real business opportunity. The key is making the experience feel real, making it feel natural and meaningful, and a virtual space where you're constantly learning, debating, and discovering new things alongside AI that can actually understand you. These AI agents I just talked about can be built with no code tools. So you don't need to be a developer, you don't need to be a coder to build these tools. I'll cover more on it in another video. I'll build an AI agent so you see how it's done. Would you try any of these ideas? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Subscribe, like, and share this video. I'm going to see you in this other video here.